Hi, my name is Mike Screens with Biker Bootstraps. I'm here to tell you a little bit about our products. We have a boot strap and a boot loop product. The boot strap goes underneath the boots, which is your traditional boot strap. Now our boot loop is all new, and that connects to your laces and stays connected to your boot, and it's a one-clip application to the front. You guys are gonna love this. The boot loops, they're easier to put on. You always know where they're at. And basically, it's a one-clip application to the front. The products that we do have a 4-inch boot strap, which is for size 8 boot and under. We have a 6-inch boot strap, which is for a size 9 and over boot. And then the boot loops are great. It's a one-size-fits-all. We use the best materials when we're making our boot straps. These are built to last. It's an all-rubber construction. It's weatherproof. You can go into rain, muddy field, whatever you're looking at. These clips have Sure-Lock technology, and when you clip those, they'll stay on in any situation. You're going down the highway doing 75, 80 mile an hour, they hold strong. The nice thing about our product also is we have a interchangeable clip. And the reason we did this is nothing lasts forever. Down the line, you have them for a year or two, a rubber strap runs out, you can buy replacement parts. And that's what makes us different. As I was saying, the boot loop connects to the laces and stays connected to the boot. The reason we did that is some of the guys were saying that they always forget to put their boot straps on. This way you'll always know where they're at. The application is a one clip to the front of the pants. With the boot straps, you'll find the back side of the seam on the outside. Go underneath the boot. You can use the clip as a handle. And then you want to find the front of the seam on the inside. The reason you do that is if you stagger the boot straps, they stay straighter when you're on your motorcycle going down the highway. Let me just say this, guys. We've been doing this since 2009. The reason we do this is we feel that riding your motorcycle in comfort is the most important thing to do. And that's why we're so passionate about our products. We look forward to serving you, and thank you for watching this video.